Here's another hand-picked car brought to you by AutoSource Minnesota. You'll notice we're on a frozen lake today. That's because we're from Minnesota and that's just what we do. Drive on frozen lakes because we can. But back to the car. This 2017 BMW 440i xDrive Gran Coupe is a 4-door coupe, or coupe for our English viewers. This black sapphire painted beauty has all the right options, including black Dakota leather, cold weather package, driving assistance package, M Sport package, technology package, 19-inch M Sport wheels, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, as well as a host of other standard features. Come check it out today and discover the AutoSource difference.